Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to install a Windows emulator for Android called Winlator. In a simple and easy to follow steps. Without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is to get the needed files. We need 3 files: the Z-archiver, the Winlator.app and the Winlator.obb files for the Winlator app to work properly. The Z-archiver is optional. You can use any file manager app that you'd like, but using Z-archiver is recommended. It's free on the Play Store and takes a little bit of your storage space. After you have your preferred file manager, let's proceed to download both Winlator.app and .obb files. To do that, just head over to your browser and search for Winlator GitHub. Make sure you click the right link. It should be Bruno, Dev 85 Winlator. Inside the GitHub, go to Installation section and click the highlighted text, GitHub Release. Now you will see the available versions of Winlator. As of recording this video, the latest version is 1.1, but on this version, the OBB file is missing, so instead of version 1.1, let's scroll down a little bit and you will see the version 1.0. Click Assets, and as you can see, the OBB file and app file is both present. Download both of them and wait for it to finish. After you download all the needed files, let's proceed to the installation process. Open Z-archiver or any file manager that you choose. Find the files you just downloaded, commonly in the Downloads folder. After you find them, click the app and install it. After you install, open it. You may see this permission message. Just click Allow. After allowing it, expect the Winlator app to force close with this message at the bottom. Don't worry, it's part of the process. Now go back to downloaded files and long press the OBB file and copy. Paste it to the right location just like what you see on screen. After that, launch the Winlator app. It will now extract the content of OBB files. Please wait. After it's done, click the plus button at the upper right corner of the screen. And here, you will see a bunch of options that you can tweak by yourself. Every Android devices are different, so make changes here depends on what's best for your device. But for now, follow my configurations. After that, click the check button at the bottom. You just made your first container. Now click on this 3 dots and run. You've made it. I know you're excited, but there's one more thing to do. Click on Start button below System Tools and click the Winmono installer. This needs an internet connection to be installed and takes less than 50 MB. And that's it. You just downloaded and set up the Winlator app on your device. Now you can test some exe files on it, just don't expect it to run latest AAA title games. In my next video, I will try some PC games using this Winlator app. If you're interested or have suggestions, let me know in the comments section below. By the way, this is my first video. Giving some likes and subs will greatly appreciate it. And that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.